Hi guys, I'm Noam Korbl.
And I'm Justin Grossbard.
Justin, we've been really busy over the last few months analysing a whole bunch of new brokers and existing brokers that we've been working with for a long time. We're focusing specifically on Australia in this video. Can't wait to get into it with all our viewers.
Sure, so we'll be going through the ASIC Regulate Forex Brokers, starting from the winner. Welcome to Compare Forex Brokers.
All right, Justin. So we do these videos a lot, and we often kind of concentrate on the Australian market because the Australian market, of course, is one of the biggest markets in the world of forex trading. Over the last few months, we've changed up our tables and our comparisons slightly. Why don't you tell the guys who we've recommended as the top 3 in Australia?
Okay, so as Noam said, we've moved things around, and that's based on the fact that our brokers are always all ASIC regulated, but we really focus hard on fees. Okay, so we believe that the 2 key factors after regulation is, first of all, the fees, and then it's to do with the trading experience, the execution speed. So we combine the 2, and based on that, we found that Pepperstone was the best broker in Australia.
Okay, interesting. All right, so Pepperstone at number 1 for the very best overall Forex broker.
Exactly. So let's look at the key factors once again. So the spreads are low, especially more their raw spreads than the standard spreads. We'll go into it a little bit later. We did some execution speed testing. So we've got Ross Collins, who's our chief researcher. He actually opened up 20 Forex accounts in Australia and then did EA testing with automation. Pepperstone were one of the winners, one of the fastest ones. So that's critical for things like slippage. They got MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, TradingView, they're
just a good all-round package.
It's a good all-round package. They're one of the best known in Australia, and that's why I recommend Pepperstone.
Okay, fantastic. All right, talk to us about the guys that we recommend at number 2. Again, these have been an incumbent that've been around for a long time. We've recommended them and spoken about them a lot over the years. Talk to our viewers about IC Markets.
Okay, IC Markets, we are recommending them as the lowest spread Forex broker. So we've done a spread analysis. You can look at our lowest spread page, and we got every single standard spread. So this is a non-commission spreads. So each broker publishes them, and in 2023, IC Markets is publishing the lowest spreads. Do we trust that? Well, we got Ross Collins once again. He's got the 20 accounts. He did his own testing. He did it twice because we didn't believe the data the first time. IC Markets do have the lowest spreads. So there you go. If you want the lowest fees on a standard account, IC Markets, we've done the research. Have a look at our page, of course. Verify that, but we'll
put that page in the link below as well so that you guys can browse it.
Yep.
And you can actually see the proof from the source itself.
Exactly.
Okay, IC Markets, always popular. We've been recommending IC Markets for a long time. It's nice to see that the data reflects a lot of what we've been saying over the years. A new one in position 3 in Australia lately has been a very well-known broker called Oanda. Why don't you tell our viewers about Oanda and why we've recommended them in position 3?
Okay, so Oanda's globally, it's one of the best-known brokers, known really for fairness and good customer service. So we've always been a fan of Oanda. We always rate them as one of the best for customer service. But they've just published all new spreads again, and it's extremely competitive. So in the past, we were very open. Oanda were very high fees. They've completely changed their business model. They are very affordable. So this is ideal for beginner traders. So think of it, great customer service, easy to use platforms, low spreads. If you're a beginner trader in Australia, we strongly recommend Oanda.
Okay, interesting. All right, so why don't we just summarize the top 3, unless there was anything else you wanted to cover?
Oh, look, we'll just give an honorable mention to eToro. We do realize that there is a subset of people that want that copy trading element, where you can see who's trading well, you want to copy their trades, you don't want to trade yourself. And there's also social trading. eToro are the best broker for that. I mean, they're not cheap. Customer service is pretty average. But the platform's easy. It's a big online community.
Copy trading is massive.
Yeah, so if that's your niche, just go with eToro. Don't second guess yourself. I know that the other brokers like Pepperstone have within MT4 copy trading facilities. I wouldn't.
It's not as good as eToro.
It's not as user friendly. So just go with eToro. But that said, if you're doing real volume, the fees are going to kill you. They're one of the only brokers that charge a withdrawal fee.
Correct. Yeah. All right. So let's just summarize. So the best broker for copy trading in Australia is definitely eToro.
Yep.
We have discussed them in previous videos. They are a great option if that's what you're looking at specifically. The third broker that we recommend in Australia, particularly for beginners, is Oanda.
Yeah, absolutely.
Number two, again, household name. We've been talking about these guys for many years. And their position at number two has been reinforced by the fact that they've got the lowest spreads on their standard account.
Published, and we've tested it. So
correct.
Don't second guess it. Very cheap. Look at our data.
Okay, and the overall number one broker in Australia is still Pepperstone because of the breadth that they're offering, because of a lot of the features that they promote and that they have on their trading platform that it seems like, based on questions that we get asked, that people are wanting. So
exactly.
The fact that it's all there means that they still retain our number one crown.
Great trading experience, Melbourne-based, competitive fees.
Exactly. Guys, we've got a lot of new things happening in the pipeline, such as an AI-powered chatbot that will help customers ultimately select the right broker for them, coming online shortly.
And we're planning to do a lot of testing, so we'd love your feedback on what you want us to test. We've tested spreads, execution speeds, slippage. We've even calculated raw spreads versus standard spreads. But just leave in the comments any other tests that you'd like us to do, and we'll do it. That's our plan for the rest of 2023.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. And again, as what Justin said, let us know via the comment section below if there's anything else that you want us to test. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.